In this video, we're gonna discuss about the Vanguard versus Fidelity versus Schwab, breaking down the numbers. It is no secret that the Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab could be considered the three most of the popular and well-known brokerage firms. Each offers a wide range of products and services, from banking and investment products to financial advisors and financial planning services. However, there are some of the important differences from the fee to financial services to research resources, each of which could impact your customer service and all you need to know about it. So we're gonna go and read an overview of both Vanguard versus Fidelity versus Schwab. So Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab are three of the biggest players in the broker space, offering a wide range of investment and banking products. In fact, you can open a variety of accounts types at these institutions, but they stack up slightly differently when it comes to fee and their specific suite of services. Vanguard made a name for itself by creating and offering a low-fee investment products such as mutual funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs). It still does this, and even non-Vanguard clients can buy Vanguard funds via brokerage account. The firm has grown to now offer non-proprietary investments products and funds. Fidelity is perhaps best known for its personal investment products, namely brokerage accounts that allows user to trade stocks. Clients can invest in a wide range of stocks, bonds, and other investment products using a Fidelity brokerage account. Fidelity also makes an effort to provide investment resources to its clients and does not usually charge fee on all trades, though more and more brokerages and brokers dealers are moving towards fee-free investment models. While not as well known for its funds as Vanguard, Schwab still has number of passively actively managed funds that you can invest your money into. You can also have the option to trade individual equities. It also offers free robo-advisor services, and those who want to work with the real advisors will have the option as well. When it comes to investment and brokerage account, Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab each offers a relatively similar suite of services as mentioned before. Each institution allow clients to trade individual equities fee-free, offer a wide range of accounts as well, including 401ks, 529 plans, custodial accounts, a variety of individual retirement accounts, joint accounts, and more. So each of three institutions have zero investment minimums for the most accounts. However, Vanguard does have minimums for investing in some of the mutual funds, typically ranging from $1,000 to $3,000. Our certain funds have even higher minimum. So this is pretty much it for the review. I hope you find this video helpful.